My favorite thing to do when I visit a city is to just start walking. I seek out the differences and the uniqueness of a place. One of the challenging things that photographers are faced with is that there are so many places that people go to that everybody's images, of course, start looking the same. So the biggest challenge is to really find a way to make an image your own. I might do something like wait for a person to walk by, wait for a bird to fly by, to sort of break the staticness of the scene. I've had students come to me and say, I don't understand how I can capture photos that have emotion and mood. And I think a lot of that is really allowing yourself to feel an emotion and a mood when you're capturing it.